Imagine a marketing machine that runs itself, freeing you to focus on strategy, not repetitive tasks. That's the power of Zapier for seamless marketing automation. And in the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to build yours. At its core, Zapier connects your favorite marketing tools, turning them into a well-oiled machine. It works on a simple, when this happens, do that principle. First, identify your marketing tools. Think about your email marketing platform, your CRM, your social media scheduler, and any lead generation forms. Then hop over to Zapier and hit Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. For your trigger, choose the app where an action will initiate your automation. For example, let's say a new lead signs up through a form on your website. You'll then select the specific event, like a new submission, from that app. Next, for your action, choose the app you want Zapier to interact with. Maybe you want to add that new lead to your email list. Select the corresponding action, like Add Subscriber, to your email marketing service. Zapier will then guide you to map the data. This is where you tell Zapier exactly which piece of information from your trigger should go into which field in your action app. For instance, the email address from your form submission goes into the email field of your new subscriber. And just like that, every new form submission instantly adds that contact to your email list, saving you manual entry and potential errors. You can extend this to social media, trigger a new blog post on your website, and Zapier can automatically draft posts for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Consider automating responses to customer service tickets or even qualifying leads directly from your CRM. By connecting your tools with Zapier, you're not just automating tasks. You're building a cohesive, efficient marketing ecosystem that drives results on autopilot. Start connecting your marketing today and experience the true power of automation.